Olya and I work at America House in Kyiv. So welcome to my kitchen, make yourself comfortable. Today I decided to make spinach and bacon quiche, and I thought, well, why not to share with you this recipe. Also my colleague from the US Embassy, Matthew, who is currently in the US, is going to share the recipe of another yummy dish that you can make out of the same ingredients. So let's get started. So the way I make it, it's really easy. You basically need ingredients and just mix it all together. So what do we have here? We have 6 eggs, we have spinach, I have a fresh one, you can use the frozen one. We have bacon and cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, and of course if you don't like meat, you can just use broccoli or something else just to substitute it with. And then half cup of the cream, and then salt and pepper. And also we have a pie crust. Pie crust was already pre-made, and it's really also quick and easy to do. We'll put the recipe of the pie crust in the post. So let's just start mixing. So the first thing is to mix eggs. And we'll add cream. Mix it out, and then, well, I do know that sometimes people lay out bacon and spinach and cheese here, but what I prefer is just mixing everything in one bowl and then just pouring it in. So we'll start with bacon. We'll add bacon. And we'll add spinach. And we'll mix it well, and then we'll add the cheese. You can actually add different kinds of cheese. So in one dish you can have few kinds of cheese. It's totally fine. It's up for you to decide. And also be careful when you're adding cheese and bacon. Sometimes they are a bit salty, so you want to make sure that your spinach is not too salty, because you're gonna add more salt and pepper. So it is all mixed now. It's nice. We'll add a bit of salt and then pepper, as much as you want. And again, we'll mix everything. And it is ready to be poured into our pie crust. Nice, I really like the way it looks, like the whole mixture here with this fresh spinach. So we just pour everything, and I'll just move this so it's not on my way, and just spread it nicely. And that's it. You see, it's done, and it will go in oven. So you have to bake it for about 35-45 minutes, and then the temperature in the oven should be around 190 degrees Celsius. And while it is in oven, let's see what Matthew is up to.
Hi Olha, great to see you. Friends, as Olha said, my name is Matthew. I work at the embassy in Kyiv, but I'm back here in America while we all wait out this virus. I'm glad that we can still connect through challenges like this though. So I am going to make breakfast along with Olha using the same ingredients, but I'm going to put an American twist on it and do a spinach, egg, and bacon breakfast burrito. Let's get started. So I will add a little bit of butter to my pan. And some spinach leaves to start them wilting. Throw in some salt. And add my eggs. Now when that's finished, you can build your burrito. I like to start with one piece of bacon, add my scrambled eggs, I like to put in a bit of cheese. This is queso fresco, which is Mexican-style farmer's cheese. I like my breakfast spicy, so I add a few pickled jalapenos. And last, a bit of hot sauce. And there you go. You've got your breakfast burrito. So, pretty simple to throw together, comes together quickly, and absolutely delicious. Olya, how's the quiche going?
That burrito looks really good. Thank you, Matthew, for showing us. Now it's time to get our quiche out of the oven. It's done, and it looks really good. I'm so happy. Yeah, here we go. So you can see how easy it was and how delicious it looks. So here it is. It's done, looks really good, and it smells actually really good. So as you can see, both recipes are quite easy and quick to make, so give it a try. And let us know how did it turn out for you, and then remember that cooking connects people. And it doesn't matter which part of the world you are, which city or country, you still can stay in touch with your family and friends with the help of technology. So take care, and we'll see you soon online.